with my partners Adinda, Delima, Dara, and Weni Ratminingsih. We are from Group 4 in Academic Presentation Class C.
We are here today to talk about plastic pollution in Jakarta.
Our aim here is just to get some background information on causes, impacts, and ways to deal with plastic pollution in Jakarta.
We plan to brief about 20 minutes of your times. Therefore, we have divided our presentation into 3 sections.
First, we will give you an overview of plastic's definition and the use of plastic in daily life. This part will be explained by Weni. Second, we will tell you about the problem and the cause of plastic pollution in Jakarta. These parts will be explained by Adinda. Third, we will tell you about the impact and the solution of plastic pollution in Jakarta. These parts will be explained by Shafa. Then, in the last presentation, we will conclude our discussion. This part will be explained by Weni.
Okay, let's begin with the first topic. What is plastic? Plastic is defined as a material that contains as an essential ingredient an organic substance of large molecular weight. It's also defined as polymers of long carbon chains. For example, look at these pictures. As you can see, there are a lot of types of plastic. There are plastic bottle, straw, plastic bag, plastic gallon, skincare bottle, and many more. Then, what is about the use of plastic in daily life? When does we use plastic? We use plastic in our daily life for many things. But in this presentation, we just discuss some of the uses of plastic in daily life. First, the use of plastic as packaging. For example, packaging fruit, fast food, and drink, snack, bottle, boba, cup of coffee, cup of tea, and many more. Second, the use of plastic as containers. Plastic bottles are used to store liquids such as cooking oil, shampoo, ink, medicine, and many more.
Now, let's move to the second topic about the problem and cause of plastic pollution in Jakarta. Plastic pollution has become one of the most pressing environmental issues. It is increased from year to year, and especially during the pandemic. Because of it, the plastic pollution is increased way too far. One of the cities which has increased is in Jakarta. Plastic pollution in Jakarta has several causes and impacts. I'd like you to attention this chart. As we can see in the chart, in West and North Jakarta, TBS is higher than others. Then in Central and South Jakarta, full gerobak is higher than others. Next, in East Jakarta is higher than others. All of them happen because of open dumping in TBA. Then, what are the causes of plastic pollution in Jakarta? What are the factors of plastic pollution in Jakarta? Okay, look at this table. The next table shows the facts about increasing plastic pollution when the number of trash in Jakarta is decreasing. Based on these facts, we can see the cause and the factors from 3 points of view. First, the government sides. There are a lack of strictness by the government in implementing plastic pollution laws, and lack of responsive by the government in handling plastic pollution. For example, there are policies about the use of plastic packaging in Governor Regulation number 142 of 2019 regarding the obligation to use environmentally friendly shopping bags. But the government didn't give a punishment to those who break the policy. Second, the society sides. The factors in this side are the consumptive nature of society to buy something using plastic and lack of awareness from society to environment. Third, other factors. There is the chance of socio-cultural condition in society. Example, pandemic of 19. Okay, look at this picture. As we can see, the picture is about COVID-19. One of the causes that increase plastic pollution in Jakarta.
Okay, let's focus to the third topic about the impact and the solution of plastic pollution. Based on the causes and factors of plastic pollution, it gives many impact in our life. We will discuss from 3 points of views. First, environmental impacts. It divided into 4 impacts. The first one is soil pollution due to the plastic waste being dumped. The second is the burning plastic wastes which causes air pollution. The third is plastic waste in the river causes flooding. And then it can damage the marine ecosystem. Second, social health impacts. For example, the plastic that buried in the ground or in the water can turn into microplastics, which are harmful to our healthiness if the water is consumed. And another example, if we burn the plastic, it releases toxic gases like dioxins, mercury, polychlorinated, and it will poses a threat to human and animal health. Third, the economy impacts. It impacts the existence of plastic waste and threatens the sector tourism and fisheries. Plastic waste is an obstacle to tourism competitiveness. In the fisheries sector, the number of fish decreases due to plastic accumulating in the sea. Then, how do we deal with plastic pollution in Jakarta? What efforts have been made by the government and the society to overcome plastic pollution in Jakarta? Based on the government side, making the policy to overcome the plastic pollution, there are Governor Regulation number 142 of 2019 regarding the obligation to use environmentally friendly shopping bags and Waste Management Law Year 2008. Based on the society side, the first is the establishment of praise. Second is using RRR, reduce, reuse, recycle to help the government decreases plastic pollution. Therefore, we can know that overcome plastic pollution needs cooperation between government and societies. First, we can use reusable shopping bags. Second, we can make a waste bank for plastic pollution. And then, the government and the society can raise public awareness about recycling waste by preparing a drop box. And last but not least, the government should evaluate the policies on waste management.
The increase of plastic pollution in Jakarta caused by the increase of population, the government and the society didn't aware of plastic waste, the open dumping system in TPA, and last but not least, the pandemic. The increase of plastic pollution can impact various sectors. For example, the impacts for environment, economy, our healthiness, and many more. The solution for that is the governor make policy to overcome the plastic pollution. As a citizen, help to reduce plastic pollution by using RRR. Reduce, reuse, and recycle.